How to change payment method on Agoda. First of all, open your preferred browser and go to the official website at agoda.com. On the top right corner, click on Sign in and log into your Agoda account using your email, Google, Facebook or Apple ID. Once you are signed in, click on your profile icon at the top right and select the profile option. Next, go to the payment method section. Here you will see a list of all your saved payment options. To change your payment method for a booking, select the booking you want to update and click on Change Payment Method. You can choose from your saved credit cards or add a new payment method by entering the card details. After selecting or adding a new payment method, click Save or Confirm to apply the changes. Agoda may ask for verification if you are adding a new card. Enter the verification code if prompted. Once updated, your selected payment method will be applied to your booking. This ensures a smoother checkout, secure transaction, and flexibility in managing your travel payments. Now you know how to change the payment method on Agoda. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more booking tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.